Question 18, have a go. So, writing these in standard form, and I remember the rules for standard form. The first number must be between 1 and 10. So where would we have to place the decimal point to get this between 1 and 10? Well, it would obviously be between the 4 and the 5, because we've then got 4.56. So 4.56 is your starting point. Now, the decimal point is effectively here to start with. We need to move it to here. So really just bunny hop along the number of jumps the decimal point has to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a big number, so that's a +5. Same idea with small numbers. Where does the decimal point have to move to? Well, we need the first number to be between 1 and 10, so that's 3.4. Placing the decimal point here. It's presently here, so that's moved across 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. It's a small number, so that's -4. Now we've got to write this in standard form. Now why isn't it standard form at the moment? Well, because this isn't between 1 and 10. We need to change this 16 into being 1.6. So to do this, we divide this first term by 10. But we can't change the number overall, so we compensate by multiplying this second number by the opposite, which is multiplying it by 10. 10 to the 7 times 10 to the 1 is 10 to the 8, so that's why we get 1.6 times 10 to the 8. Question 19, have a go. So parts A and B, just as I described before, that's really bunny hopping along to make sure that we get the first number between 1 and 10, and this is just the other way along. We're just bunny hopping along to convert it back to a normal number. Remember, we're making it a smaller number because that's -5. Now for part C, let's have a think about this one. Rewrite these four numbers in order, so you've got the normal numbers first and then the powers of 10 second. Now, because obviously you can times in any order and still get the same answer. 5 6s are 30. 10 to the 4 times 10 to the 9, when we multiply we add the powers, it's 10 to the 13. So that's the correct answer, it's just not in standard form. We need to divide this by 10 to turn it into a number between 1 and 10. So we compensate by timesing this second term by 10, so that turns us into 3 times 10 to the 14.